Hey everyone, CT Mechanic here. I'm at Home Depot right now. I just saw this box here. It's hard to miss that orange and black. It's an international toolbox. I've never heard of them before. 3-year warranty. Not a bad price. 24.5 inches deep. That's pretty good. It's got a pretty good sized drawer here. Feels pretty sturdy. Slides seem good. Soft close. It's a bottom drawer. Pretty large bottom drawer, and it looks like it's got outlets too, or the ability to add an outlet on it. Oh, it's on the side here. Not a bad box.